Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice in Snapchat video. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the smiley icon. And here you can see different filters. You simply need to click on explore and search for voice changer like I am doing. Okay, and here you can find different filters, so let me select any of the one and check that. So now I am testing my voice. So now I am testing my voice. So you can see that by following these steps you can easily change your voice on Snapchat in video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.